Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data to tell a story. First, pinpoint your main message and who you are speaking to. This guides your entire process. Next, collect only the data that directly supports your narrative, ensuring it is relevant and accurate. Finally, delve into the context of your data to uncover deeper insights and make your story more compelling for your audience. Crafting a compelling data narrative involves a classic story arc. Begin by setting the scene and introducing a key problem or question your data will explore. Then, present your data findings as the rising action, building suspense and understanding. This leads to a climax where your most significant insights are revealed. Finally, conclude with clear, actionable takeaways or a strong call to action for your audience. Effective data visualization is crucial for a powerful story. Select chart types that best illustrate your message, like a bar chart for comparisons or a line graph for trends over time. Keep your visuals clean and simple, removing any distracting elements. Use color thoughtfully to emphasize key data points and ensure all axes and data are clearly labeled for immediate understanding by your audience. When presenting your data story, practice is key for a confident delivery. Engage your audience by asking thought-provoking questions and fostering discussion around your findings. Always explain the so what of your data, clarifying its real-world significance and impact. Be ready to answer any questions thoroughly and confidently defend your data-driven conclusions, reinforcing the credibility of your narrative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.